Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that helps you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you.
We'll be comparing two dash cams that are making waves in the market.
On the left, we have the REDTIGER dash cam, and on the right, we have the DKK dash cam 1080p Full HD.
Get ready for some epic showdowns in different categories.
Let's kick things off with the most important aspect of a dash cam: video quality.
The REDTIGER dash cam boasts an impressive 4K plus 1080p dual recording capability. With its Ultra HD 4K resolution, you'll be able to capture every detail on the road. On the other hand, the DKK dash cam offers a 1080p front camera and a 720p HD waterproof rear camera.
While it may not match the REDTIGER in resolution, it still captures all three lanes of the road. Now let's shed some light on the night vision capabilities of these dash cams. The REDTIGER dash cam features an excellent optical lens with an ultra-large aperture and HDR's WDR technology. This means it can capture important details clearly, even in low-light conditions.
The DKK dash cam also offers super night vision with its WDR function, allowing it to adjust to different light conditions. Connectivity is crucial when it comes to dash cams. The REDTIGER dash cam comes with Wi-Fi and a smart app control feature. Simply connect it to your smartphone via Wi-Fi and use the REDTIGER app to view, playback, and manage your recordings. You can even download and edit videos directly on the app.
On the other hand, the DKK dash cam focuses on simplicity with its plug-and-play design. No need for Wi-Fi connectivity. Just pop in the included SD card and you're good to go.
Let's dive into the additional features that these dash cams offer.
The REDTIGER dash cam comes equipped with a built-in GPS, allowing you to track your driving route, real-time speed, and location.
It also has a 24-hour parking monitor with a time-lapse function, perfect for keeping an eye on your vehicle while parked.
The DKK dash cam, on the other hand, offers a loop recording function that automatically overwrites the oldest video when the SD card is full.
It also has a built-in G sensor that locks and retains videos in case of an accident. Let's talk about installation. The REDTIGER dash cam offers a complete package with a hardware kit for its 24-hour parking monitor. It may require a bit more effort to set up, but it's worth it for the added features.
On the other hand, the DKK dash cam comes with all the necessary accessories for installation, including a crowbar and cable clips.
Even a novice can easily set it up in no time. Based on Amazon reviews, customers have praised the REDTIGER dash cam for its cutting-edge technology, exceptional video quality, wide-angle lens, intelligent parking mode, user-friendly interface, reliability, robust construction, and sleek design. The DKK dash cam has received positive feedback for its video quality, wide-angle lens, user-friendly interface, loop recording feature, and GPS tracking system. Both dash cams have also been commended for their customer service and prompt responses to any issues encountered. And there you have it, folks. We've compared the REDTIGER dash cam and the DKK dash cam 1080p Full HD in various categories. Both dash cams have their own unique features and advantages.
It's up to you to decide which one suits your needs and preferences. Remember, making a smart purchase is all about finding the right fit for you.
If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Buy Smart for more product comparisons.
Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.